Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a delightful journey to explore the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine. In this episode, we are uncovering the secrets of a traditional Mexican drink, Agua de Menta, or mint water. This refreshing beverage has a long history and some fascinating unknown facts that will surely surprise you. So, let's dive in and quench our thirst for knowledge and flavor. The roots of Agua de Menta can be traced back to the ancient civilizations of Mexico. The indigenous people used native herbs and plants to create refreshing beverages. Mint, with its soothing and aromatic properties, was among the herbs that were cherished for their culinary and medicinal uses. Here's the making process for Agua de Menta, mint water. Wash fresh mint leaves under cold running water to remove any dirt or impurities. In a pitcher, add the washed mint leaves and slightly muddle them to release their flavor. Pour 4 cups of cold water over the mint leaves. If desired, add sugar or a sweetener of your choice to taste and stir well until dissolved. Cover the pitcher and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours to allow the mint flavors to infuse. Once chilled, give the Agua de Menta a gentle stir, add ice cubes to individual glasses. Pour the mint-infused water over the ice and serve. Optionally, garnish with a sprig of fresh mint for an extra touch of freshness. Enjoy the refreshing and soothing taste of Agua de Menta. It's incredible to see how traditional drinks have deep cultural connections. Mint is more than just a refreshing herb, it holds various health benefits. In Mexican culture, it is known for its soothing and digestive properties. Agua de Menta not only quenches thirst but also aids digestion, making it an excellent beverage choice after meals. So, it's not just a delightful drink, but also a medicinal elixir. The preparation is quite simple. Fresh mint leaves are steeped in hot water, allowing their flavors and aromas to infuse. Once the water is sufficiently infused, it is strained and chilled. For added sweetness, Mexican piloncillo, unrefined sugar, or simple syrup is often used. Simplicity at its finest. Fresh ingredients are key to the authentic experience. Absolutely. Mexicans are known for their creativity, and that extends to their beverages too. Some variations include adding other herbs like yerba buena, Mexican spearmint, or combining mint with other fruits like lime or cucumber for a zesty twist. The possibilities are endless, and each variation must offer a unique flavor profile. Agua de Menta is not only a drink, it's a symbol of hospitality and camaraderie. In many Mexican households, it is offered to guests as a welcoming gesture. Additionally, you'll find it being served at family gatherings, festivals, and celebrations. Such a beautiful way to honor guests and share cultural warmth. Absolutely. Aguas frescas are a variety of refreshing non-alcoholic beverages made from a combination of fruits, flowers, seeds, or herbs mixed with water. They have been an integral part of Mexican culinary heritage for centuries. So, Agua de Menta is a delightful addition to this rich tradition of aguas frescas. Agua de Menta is especially popular during hot summer months. Its cooling properties and invigorating taste make it a perfect companion to beat the scorching Mexican sun. It's great to know that this beverage has a special place in the summertime. One of the best places to find authentic Agua de Menta is at the bustling Mexican street markets. Street vendors skillfully prepare and serve this refreshing drink to locals and tourists alike, capturing the true essence of Mexican street culture. The street markets are a treasure trove of authentic flavors and experiences. With the rise of Mexican cuisine's popularity around the world, Agua de Menta has also found its way onto international menus. Its simplicity, refreshing taste, and health benefits have made it a favorite beverage beyond Mexico's borders. It's incredible to see how a traditional drink can connect cultures worldwide. And there you have it, Agua de Menta, a timeless and refreshing Mexican delight with a rich history and unique cultural significance. Next time you're in Mexico or exploring Mexican cuisine, don't forget to try this invigorating beverage. Join us again for more exciting culinary explorations, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more enriching content. Hasta luego. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep discovering the wonders of the world through its flavors.